Greetings! It's Maxo Diddly. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can make Google Chrome your default web browser on Windows 11. Let's get right into it. So firstly, you're going to want to click on the Start button down here, or the Windows key on your keyboard. Then search for Settings and open up your settings. Then you're going to want to click on the Apps button here. Then click on Default Apps. In the search box here, underneath Set Defaults to Applications, type in Chrome, and then click on Google Chrome. Then click on Set Default. And that's going to make it so when you try to open up a web page, Google Chrome is going to be the default application. However, there are still going to be a few other files that might not be set to Google Chrome. So in this list, every time you don't see Google Chrome, click on the web browser, then click on Chrome, then click on Set as Default. Do that for every option that isn't set to Google Chrome here, and that's all you need to do to set up Chrome to be your default browser on your Windows 11 computer. Thanks for being a great audience, be sure to leave a like and a comment if you enjoyed, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.